What's up YouTube, it's Alex Combow here from Snowbound Apothecary, and today I want to talk to you guys about becoming an abstract version of you. The first thing you need to know if you want to be abstract is you got to think outside the box. Imagine the box is way bigger than you think. You think it's possibly 6 by 6, but in reality it's at least 20 by 20. What that means is that your box is huge and you just think that taking little steps is thinking outside of the box, when in reality you have to think massively outside of the box to get some steps in the right direction. Now, in order to do that, you need to find the little things that motivate you. Find every little detail that makes you want to keep going. So if something that keeps you going is looking at palm trees, look at palm trees and have them get you going. If you're like me and something that gets you going is thinking about snow, then use snow as your motivator. You don't have to use these massive things as motivators. Use little things as motivators, that you can just have little things that will remind you of the fact that this is getting you motivated every day. Yes, you need to have your large vision that motivates you, but at times your large vision is going to seem like, I've just thought about this too much. I have overthought everything about this vision and it doesn't even get me off my feet anymore. So you need to have these little things that make you say to yourself, man, maybe it would be nice to own a Corvette. Maybe it would be nice to have my own pool and not have to go to the gym on the gym schedule all the time. Maybe it would be nice to have a jet or a helicopter and be able to get around that way. These are the things that you need to start thinking about, and you need to start imagining the possibility of growth through these little things. Find these little things and have them take you into the next level of imagination, because you will do whatever it takes to obtain these little things around you. Now, if you want to grow explosively, you need to market yourself so that everyone can see you. You need to make sure that if people are looking for you, they can find you. If people are not looking for you, they can find you. You need to be right there, and available for everybody to see. And you need to finally know that movement is optional but necessary. You can choose whether you move forward or backwards. You can choose whether you think abstractly or not. You can choose what those little things are that motivate you. You can choose to take the steps you need to take to get to your vision every single time. And sometimes the choice is so small. Sometimes you're just out of energy, and the choice is either go on with material that is not that great, or take a nap or take some small step so that you can push yourself even harder for even longer to have great material and have a great outcome as well. It could be taking a nap, it could be taking a vitamin pill, a multivitamin, it could be anything, but these little steps that you take, they are your choice. You need to choose to move in the direction that you need to go, and you need to choose every single little step that you are going to take before you take it. So imagine the possibility abstractly and outside of the box, and choose every single step that you take wisely. So that's all I got for you guys. Short and sweet again. I apologize for the constantly short videos. They're gonna start getting longer again. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, leave me a comment below, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content from me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.